Here is one tiny face for troublesome trucks. Could be for a different scale, but this was a beautiful mistake. Allow me to demonstrate. So in reality, this is a FDM print, which is filament. You can see the layer lines, but that's another thing, another story. But here's the size that sticker paper faces are found out on troublesome trucks. So I wanted to create something that is physical and not paper. But with the resin, we are able to get this beautiful finish, even at small scale. But the thing is, not all the faces are the same size. Some are squares, some are rectangles, like this one right here. But looking at this picture, you see that it's covering a little bit wider area on the troublesome truck. Same on this one. Since I can do with the size I want, let me pick, let's pick this one, happy one right here. I know I haven't removed the support marks, but that's for another story. So since we can resize the size we really wanted, I did a kind of standard size, so it's a little bit bigger than the paper size faces, and we went between the original faces from Thomas and Friends, and I'm talking about the size, the size of these faces. Now, about the beautiful mistake. Here is the thing. We can use these faces. I know there are some troublesome faces, especially for tankers, but I'm going to take advantage of this mistake and put these faces to the tanker like this. So it's for demo purposes. One mistake could be or turn in a good opportunity, but I will make the faces for the tankers later on. But the scale looks good, looks okay. I know some might comment these are not the right ones. I know. Again, I will size them up properly. There's another, let me see, fuel tanker. I think is it fuel? Yes, it's fuel tanker. Yeah, I can just, oh come on, I'm making a video. Okay, so we can just glue it to the tanker like so, like this, and we have a beautiful custom model. Now the faces sticking out of the not suitable, maybe not flat to the surface. I understand that, but let me show you something. See that face right there? It's not even flat to the surface on these slats. Is that called slats? Planks. It's only glued, maybe glued or screwed on these studs, I think. Oh, talking about the tankers, look how these are just sitting on, maybe glued on this supporting, whatever it's called, and it's not even touching the surface of the entire tanker. Same with that face right there. You can see the studs going right here vertical, and this face is not even flat to the planks. To my model, I actually shave that little plank. I don't know if you've seen my videos before, prior. See right there, there's a little mark right there. So we shaved that stud. I'm gonna call it stud. I don't know what's the real term. And it went until right there. I ended this shaving right there. So in the Thomas and Friends, as you can see on this video, they just glue it on top of this. I'm using this as a sample. I know it's the back of the truck. So we might just glue it to it, paint it, and you have a nice custom troublesome truck. Okay, let me showcase these things, talking about the faces. Let me speed up this thing before I forget, so we don't make this a longer video. Here's a one face, beautiful. Have shown this one before? Don't remember. Okay. Yeah, so these are based on the plank troublesome trucks, which are kind of rectangle shaped troublesome trucks. And since I'm making some customs, I know I'm making way too much. I understand that. These are not the same expressions. I was very confused. I thought I printed this just 9. I have 10 sets. They are different expressions. but I had the beautiful mistake, this tiny mistake, which is it will be turned into a tanker um, for the near future custom model. Okay, what's your talk about this thing?